Hey guys, Bubble Double here. Ignore the background noises because my friend, she's watching a movie, but she's on the bed. She can't see her because she does not want to be on YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna block her. Today's video, I'm showing you how to make slime. And yeah, I already made some. Here's what it looks like. Well, people call it goo because there's a difference, but like you could touch it and it'll only like get grease, like watery on you, no sticky. But I don't know if it will hold it. I haven't tried that. So here is, and I could even put it on the spoon. Here it is. Yeah, so here it is. And you need clear shampoo and white salt. It has to be white salt, can't be sea salt. So yeah, I'm using Trees Made. Shampoo is a clear kind though. And salt. Just ignore that, my phone's about it. It's at like 50% now. Yeah. So I gotta hurry. So you wanna add this. Add as much shampoo as you want. I did. I don't know if you can see it. Now you wanna add salt. And mix it. Why did I do that too? And here's what it turned into. The little ball. Don't want to show. And I warn you, you do have to put it in the freezer. But like, if you make it really good, you don't have to. I didn't have to. But if you do have to put it in the freezer, put it in there for 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah. It's like nearly 12 o'clock. It's like 11.
You're all mad.
The pop is So here it is. So here it is. It sticks on you a little. Well, it don't stick, but it's wet after. So you can kind of see the glossy stuff, kind of. So I have a towel right here, so I'm gonna just. So I'm gonna add it with my other slime. That's weird. I have never mixed this noise. Okay, so subscribe, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what if I should test try with other stuff. And give it a like if I should make more slime videos. And leave a comment down below if I should try new ingredients. So yeah, guys. Good night. And see you in the next slime video or regular video. Bye.